All right, what is the initial value? And then it says graph it to prove your answer. Okay, haven't done that before, but we know how to graph points, so no big deal. So step 1, slope. M equals, I'm going to label this for you guys so you know what I'm doing. 7 minus 4 over 5 minus 4. Slope is 3 over 1. All right, so first step, M is 3. Second step, B is the y value minus the m times the x. So B is, I'm going to choose the first point, sure. So the y value is 4 minus the slope, which is 3, times the x, which is 4. 4 minus 12. So the answer is going to be negative 8. Okay. So to answer the question, the initial value is a negative 8. And now it says graph this to see if we're right. I don't know what that means, but I'm going to graph it. So 4, 4. And then 5, 7. And then 6, 10 doesn't fit. And then 7, 13 also won't fit. So basically, I'm just going to graph this. I'm going to graph this out. And do. Okay. So what's supposed to happen if you have a straight line, which is easier for you to do on Pear Deck? The y-intercept, the negative 8, is where the line crosses the y-axis. So I'm going to draw my y-axis in red. Okay, this is the y-axis. Do you see where my blue line, our function, our graph, is crossing here at negative 8? That's what a y-intercept is. So since I got y or b to be negative 8 and the y-intercept is negative 8, my graph is showing that I did it right. But if my graph were crossing anywhere else, I would have been wrong. Okay, so I'll probably switch your graph so that the numbers are big enough so it goes all the way up to 13 for you. But really, this is what you want to see, the negative 8 down here. A little confusing because we haven't done that before, but just make sure, that's why when you graph lines, you make your lines really long. So they shouldn't be short. You want to be able to see as much of your graph as possible.